Okay, I set up the RSS feed from my YouTube channel to my LinkedIn company page, and I did my first video after the RSS feed was set up and posted that video. And I'm not sure exactly how much time I'll do that calculation and post it in here, but I now have a new RSS post available from Burriss Consulting LinkedIn YouTube channel. Review and share it to your page. So if I click on, and by the way, this showed up in my personal notifications. It did not specifically show up in my company page. I'm gonna look at my company page and see I have an activity. I have setting. There it is, manage content sharing. It doesn't show up here. It is on the notification that I have new content is only showing up again in my personal notifications, not in my business page notifications. Really interesting that it's doing that. So I'll click on it. It goes to the company page and it links to, wow, organization content ingestion manual. And so it wants me, it's allowing me at this point to write the post. I kind of thought it would automatically put it in the company page. This is really not giving me what I was hoping for. But bottom line is it does have an RSS feed to my YouTube channel, and I can write the post. And let me do that now. Okay, I wrote my post and I will post it. And there's the post. If I view as a member, go to post. There's the post. It's interesting. It's not sophisticated. My point is this. The RSS feed simply created a notification, again, under my personal notifications, not under the company notifications, and basically just queued up the URL to that video for me to create a post. What I would have preferred is if it had just completely grabbed that new video and posted it using the content in the video description and the title to be able to produce a LinkedIn company page post. I am not overly excited about it. However, that being said, for bigger organizations, it could be beneficial to queue up content from either your blog or your YouTube channel or whatever other RSS feed you have, and queue up that content for you to be able to create those posts in a timely manner. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist. Hope this is something that could be useful for you.